Our Inner Focus to Recover program guides you through the first 30 days to avoid the risk of relapse. But what can you do today to begin the journey? Well, first up, you could keep a journal. This keeps you accountable. Write down all your thoughts and feelings daily. As the days go by, you will be able to look back and see your progress, which will keep you on track as you become proud of your achievements. You will also see trends and potential triggers to avoid. Create a vision statement of your new life and read it to yourself every time you feel the urge. Secondly, calm your mind. When we are emotionally aroused, we cannot think rationally. Our emotional mind may then make decisions based on the illusion of happiness promised by just having one. Thirdly, overcome anxiety. Determine the reason for the anxiety, stress, depression, or crutch, and set in motion strategies to resolve these issues by utilizing your innate resources. And fourth, manage those urges and cravings. Pattern interrupt your old routines. Keep busy doing new, fun activities at those times of the day you would be most vulnerable to relapse. Focus on the positives of being sober and healthy, rather than the idea of giving up or missing out on that false good time that alcohol promises. And lastly, believe in a better future. Become more confident in yourself and in what you have to offer the world. Prioritize what it is you want in life and believe you can do it. Take positive steps each day towards that new, happy you.